Bisaya versus Tagalog. Panghilom, oy. Open. Open. Overlooking the streets. Oh. Satay. Hello guys. Good morning.
Water.
Oh. Good morning. This is day 4. Nag-makeup. Late na kami. Kasi si Ayen. So, saan tayo today? Day, saan tayo, Day?
Sa Philippines.
Pupunta daw kami guys ng museum. Tama ba? National Arts Museum. So sa loob guys kay may art. Kasi museum man siya. So Beke. Guys, baka mamayang gabi mag IKEA. So baka sasabihin nyo, ba't mag IKEA? May IKEA naman sa Manila. Shut up guys. Ganito yan. Lahat ng bagay dito hindi same sa Manila guys. One example yung sabi ko kahapon. Legit ha, this is not, I'm not gaslighting. Kaya sabi, Bisaya versus Tagalog. Panghilom oy.
Listen, look, and listen, and learn.
Ganito yan. Yung Hawker Chan, kumain kami sa Manila last TGL. I went there with my friends. Nag-TGL, may TGL convention sa SMX. Nag-Hawker Chan kami sa MOA. The Hawker Chan there wasn't good. Why? Yung taste, I mean, okay lang siguro. Same yung taste. The problem ganito. Portions are so small. Sunod yung kanilang char siu pork is para lang asado guys. Yan sa guys. Hawker Chan sa Manila.
So just a quick disclaimer guys, all the views and statements expressed in this video are entirely my opinion and just my personal experience as a regular customer na kumain doon sa Hawker Chan. I really gave it a lot of tries actually nung nandun kami. I ate mga siguro from lunch and then dinner, kumain na naman. I'm not a food reviewer, just a regular customer, it's just my experience.
Hey guys, so we just arrived at Bugis Station. So dito kami nagbaba kasi hindi ko alam kung, I think kakain muna kami. We're gonna eat, right? I think may masarap dito na hawker center? No. Okay, Shom doesn't know. Ryan guys, Bugis Station. Then we're gonna walk. We're way out. Gotta find a way out. Gotta find a way out. Maybe there's a way out. Your voice, soundtrack of my summer. It's not always rainbows and butterflies. Another. Yan si Ayen guys.
What?
So nasa Bugis Station. Burgis. Iba na naman yung design dito sa station. Gonna tap out. Gamit nito EasyLink card. Yan. That's how it works in the technology. Okay. Mag-check daw tayo ng vending machine. What vending machine is it?
It's called Nextstop.
Oh my gosh.
This is my train. And this is MRT map.
Jigsaw puzzle? Yeah, sure.
Completed. Oh, jigsaw puzzle.
Oh my gosh.
And this is a jigsaw.
Where's the card holder?
And then $13. Looks like $13 is cheap with them.
Cheap doon, $13 guys.
Look.
Whoa. God dang. So we're at saan ba to? Saan ba to, Day?
Action City.
Action City. Bugis Street daw. Look. Skylight. Ganda. Legit. Oh my gosh, the claw.
Started to climb into this. The claw. It moves.
Capitalism, guys. God damn.
Guys, opening.
Fail.
Ang
Live
gusto
fail.
ko guys
Live
is
fail.
see either with paint tube or with brush or sunflower.
Live fail. Live fail. Live fail. Live fail. 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 Fail.
Why?
What am I supposed to look for? Sino dapat ano to? Kung may paint tube? Open.
Where did you get
Open.
that?
Sayang naku.
When did you get to the answers lab?
Real. Ano na yun, guys? Acceptance. So, para siyang food court dito, guys.
Let's go to the National Museum, Library, and Design.
Very colorful. Parang Neon City. Munti ka nawala, guys. That's my number. So, I'm number 6. Ang in-order ni Ange, guys. Char siu wonton. Char siu with marbled beef wonton. Try natin yung char siu. Okay.
Ano nag-order?
Kami ka? Wonton noodle. Ah. Hi guys. So ngayon hindi na tayo nag-miss ng video, guys. So what I ordered is overload brisket. Tapos may mga tendon, guys. Tapos minced pork. Anong i-order mo, Ten?
Prawn, minced rice, and egg.
Prawn minced rice noodle something.
Philippines pala, prawn rice.
Prawn rice. And what's for you, Sean?
Salmon with yuzu sauce.
Salmon with yuzu sauce, so Japanese. Sa inyo kayo, saan kasi?
Chicken cheese chop.
Chicken cheese.
Two
Western.
pieces of chicken wings.
Western sila lahat dito.
So western sila, guys. Sa'yo, love. Ano ganun yun? Wonton, tama. Na ano na kanina. Double feature na. Okay, kain muna tayo, guys. Tendon, guys.
Hey, look at this.
Oh, wow. Look at this, guys. Mural. So we're in the library, the National Library. Ito yung entrance pa lang. Still the entrance.
There's a 3D printer.
So yeah. And ito yung 5th floor. Di pa ito yung mismong library. Still not the one. But yeah, still maganda na masyado dito. Very nice. Still very nice already. Dito isang courtyard here outside. Tingnan nyo. Courtyard. overlooking the streets. Hi, we're at Bugis Plaza. So actually galing kami dun sa library but bawal yung video kasi din. And we also came from the arts something chuchu art center. Yeah, hindi ako naka-vlog. I'll just show the pictures na lang guys. Hindi ako naka-vlog na naman sa na ano ko. Sarap po sa akong pagka-ADHD. Sorry guys, the vlog is really not vlogging. It's okay. Important is the memories we made. Ayan guys, nandito tayo sa parang Chinatown. Ito yung parang, I don't know what's the name, pero super cheap na ice cream.
So hindi pa ito yung mismong Chinatown talaga ng Singapore guys. So this is just actually a mall. Pero yun, parang may mga tiyangge-tiyangge lang siya. And ito yung nga yung ice cream na sobrang cheap, $1 lang.
Dito guys yung parang mga bargain. Siyempre parang Chinatown yun nga. Yan o. So, yeah. Thank you. Cheese stick on. Cheese stick na naman ba? Guys.
Klaro tong dampon. Klarong dampon.
This is my new vibe, bro. Die drop. Guys, kahit saan guys, sinusundan kami ng bubuyog na to guys. Dito pa rin siya guys. Jollibee! Bidang sa'yo! Dito na tayo sa future guys. Grabe. Woo! Jollibee. Bidang saya. Cross 21 seconds to cross. Going to Bugis Station.
I love you, you love me, miss ice cream and tea.
May construction dito guys, hindi nakabalandra na pwede kang patayin sa construction guys.
Huwag kayo iiyak.
Smile Martabak. So para siyang pancake. Parang dessert lang, snacks na kaunti. Kasi andito kami sa Fuhan. Parang mall pa rin siya. Nakatabi lang nung Museum, National Museum. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog guys, so sorry. I'll just put pictures kasi nag-priority talaga ako sa pictures guys because first time kasi. But I'll put the pictures naman. So yeah, vlog natin yung itong Milo Martabak. Let's see the hype. Hype kasi daw to sa TikTok, sabi nila. It's really messy. Messy but it's so good. Oh. Sarap na guys. Bro.
What does that taste like?
You try if you want. Pandan. Al-ubos
At
this
first
one.
when I saw this, I thought
So, we're back here at Pasir Panjang Food Station, local food center pala, PPFC, Pasir Panjang Food Center. Kakainin na naman natin yung famous na fried chicken rice. Yun yung best. Like lately, dami naman tayong nakaing masarap pero yun pa rin talaga yung the best. Actually, it's way past dinner time na kaya hindi na masyado madaming tao. So, normally dito talaga para siyang food court siya actually. Madami ding nagiinuman dito, nag-hangout. Pero it's very clean place, very clean, very tidy, pa rin dito. Kaya it operates very efficiently yung ganitong food court. Kaya walang problema mag-operate kasi self-service dito talaga. People are disciplined. Claygo, clean as you go talaga. So yun, wait lang. Yung sabi ko kanina, Claygo dito. As you can see, my tray return doon. My tray return. So, kaya disiplinado dito. And then, it keeps the maintenance down. Tapos, walang problema na yung hindi na hihirapan in terms of the efficiency. Kahit madaming gustong kumain, okay lang kasi smooth flowing. Kasi, yun nga, Claygo. Lahat, everywhere here is Claygo guys. Hindi kagaya sa Davao na there are certain places na depende sa establishment ko enforce nilang Claygo, but here it's all Claygo and it's all serve yourself or self-service dito. Oh yeah. Thank you. Yes, look guys,
Thank you.
this entire table.
this is the best food here guys. Actually guys, so talaga so far, I mean sobrang sarap naman ng food dito sa Singapore lately, but this is the best so far. Still this one. No other dish has come close to this actually. Hindi ko din alam bakit. I don't know why. Just
He hasn't
so
tried
Ay, dalawa na.
siya gikadikan. Ang mamun. Oh my gosh. Kaya na lang maglapit guys kasi. Oh.
Why did he send me to try it?
Grabe.
Hello mga guys. So today mag-unbox ko kami nito with the peoples. Te! Wake up! Wake up! What?
Kaya one!
Unbox na daw.
Wala siya pa.
Come on, let's go.
Did you put it in the box na? Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. Sige, so pili. Tapos bahala na kung gusto kong willing mag-trade later.
Oh my gosh, this
Pero
is
yung kanya-kanya lang talaga. Yeah, this is...
the Watch Market.
Wait,
lang.
picture mo na.
I'll
Picture mo
arrange
na.
it para ano siya. Doy!
Picture mo na.
Doy.
Doy.
Wala na.
Show me.
Hold it up.
No.
Yeah. Oh, no. Day will arrange it. Oh,
Ano din
Oh my God.
dapat may interview muna yung ano yung gustong design ng bawat
G.
isa.
Let's do the interview.
Ganyan pala yan.
Oh. Anak ko, kakulit mo lang yan.
Behind the scene ka talaga,
Ito lingaw. Oh!
Wait, sige. Interview sa.
Interview.
These are all the possible.
Sige, SMR.
Okay, let's do our interview.
Sige. No, ano na lang. At the count of 3, kaya we will all point sa blind box so we want. Sige. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, I chose
Oh,
this.
do not get mo
wait
na.
lang.
Point lang.
I'm pointing to this.
Sige, go.
I want.
O, isa-isa sa taha mag-apply ha. Kuha ni.
Okay,
Ako na, guys. Itagin mo karon guys, yung saka
Let's see.
butya.
Doy first.
What did you
get?
God was pointing me to this one.
Oh my god. Oh
Yeah.
my god.
God was pointing me.
Oh my god.
Paano pala yan?
Just pull it.
Pull it off, man.
No.
Si Grover.
Grover.
Special.
Open.
Oh.
Oh, really? Wala special.
Hala.
Ay, hindi.
Feeling that.
Si Count. Wow.
Ay, gwapo.
Nice.
Hello? Wala.
Kuday nahulog dahil ba?
Wait, who?
Who's that?
Ay, si Bert. Ay, si Ernie.
Show, honey.
You traded for ano para... Careful pa.
Let's see what
La,
we get.
na si Elmo.
Wait.
Hala, gwapo lagi.
Si Big Bird.
Ay, hindi.
Ako kang ate kay Unsa.
Oh my god.
Oh, true man po day
Hindi,
ka.
kasi parang hindi ko na kailangan. Parang sticker nakata.
Oh, you removed. I didn't mean to look. Oh my god. What?
Oy, si Abby!
Hala, hilig ba si Doy sa pink?
So, Cookie Monster ito.
Oh.
Let's see.
Or the chase.
Or the chase.
Then everyone will be
this.
willing to trade.
Abby
Let's see
Kadabi.
this. Let's see this.
This looks nice. Chase.
Friends. The friends.
Hindi, si...
Oh, Cookie
Cookie
Monster.
Monster.
Wala tayong sano, wala tayong... Atik man ang rare, di man tinuod. Hello.
This is even kind.
Pupunta kami ng... Hindi ko alam. Ha? Okay guys, so sa WeChat daw tayo today. Pupunta tayo sa WeChat guys. Leju chat daw. Para siyang ano guys. Hindi ko alam. So yan. Subway na naman. So that's the daily ano dito talaga. Subway talaga kami. Or metro or whatever you wanna call it. MRT. Kasi sobrang layo ng fare prices. Kung magta-taxi ka guys, mag-average ng 15 to 20 USD, sorry. Mag-average ng 15 to 20 SGD siguro. Sobrang mahal niyan. So that is why we always take the ano tawag nito, MRT talaga. Kasi yung MRT siguro yung the most fare that we use siguro mga 4 at most. 4 USD.
It's my favorite. Budget for the day is $10.
So wala na kaming budget guys, $5 na lang for today. Train is arriving in 2 minutes. Yan, 1 minute. So meaning malapit na yung train. Malapit yung train. Malapit yung train guys, yung train. Where do we go down?
Marine Parade.
What?
Marine Parade, but our current goal right now is Harbourfront.
So we switch to the
Purple Line, yeah.
No, hum. So nakababa na tayo. We're in the Harbourfront Station going up to Northeast Line. So this is going to the Northeast Line. So galing kami sa baba. Yung baba, yun yung last station which is Harbourfront. Last station of that line which is the Circle Line, yung orange. So pa Northeast Line na tayo. Hi guys, so galing tayo ng Northeast Line. Kakababa natin dito sa Brown Line. Ito yung pinakabagong line or the what's the name, Shom? Thompson East Coast Line? Thompson East Coast Line. So the trains here are the newest trains. So this is the first time we're gonna ride the Brown Line. That's still under construction?
Yeah, that's why there's no signages. What is that?
It's a link. A junction.
Switch.
Oh, so ayan guys, nakababa na tayo sa Brown Line. Bago yung station talaga guys. Yung mga stations sa Brown Line are the newer ones. So yeah, so ngayon tatapot muna tayo. We're going out with the card again. Yeah. So bago yung stations talaga dito. Kasi ito yung again the newer lines. Exit 3. Exit 3. I feel the heat. Whoa. Huh? Saan ba tayo? Tara left. Oh, we going left, guys. Yung Church of Singapore. Oh, I feel the heat. Papunta tayong Ju-Chat. Ju-Chat. What's up, chat?
Hi guys. So, right now, ako na lang. You're not vlogging, man. So right now, we are here at Treasure Hunt. So, andito kami guys ngayon sa saan ito? Sa Ju-Chat. We're here at Ju-Chat and we ran into this amazing little trinket store. Ito yung Treasure Hunt. And ang dami. Cute items we have. Ayan, may jewelry. Wooden, tawag nito. Figures, carvings. I'd bring home a clown, kaya lang mahadlok si mama. So,
And there are also some
cute lang mga pusa ko. So, sayang guys, hindi na vlog doon sa ano. So, mag-ano na lang daw, mag-slideshow na lang daw doon sa Ju-Chat. Doon sa Kunseng Road. But right now, we are here. Ayan, you see there are a lot of mga cute na shops. Wes all the way there. They have flowers, fashions, and finds. Here, may cafe din. Ayun, may gym pa nga. So, let's go.
Boys, hold.
So we are looking for a hawker center guys. Starving na sila.
Sean, come.
They be starving. Here now we are here at Katong Point. A raft of otters. Another boutique guys. Yan, cute na naman sa loob.
Because there are lots of breakables and we have kids.
Di tayo pwede pumasok dun, guys. Kasi Singapore Trading Post. Cute sila. Baka hindi nyo makita yun. Very wow! So artsy. We have books. Ano to? Panic Room. Oh my gosh! Can we go in? Ay, mga breakables inside for mga
Panic Room man ito.
Kaya nga, I wanna go. Ay, sorry, we're closed.
Kaya nga, sikat yan eh. Mga vinyl.
Lagi? Doy! Another mural. And another cafe. And ayan, more breakables inside. So, no naman. So, I guess this is like para siyang wider na haji. Uy, 8 seconds. Una. Ayun, guys. So, di kami nakahabol. So, ayan, we've now crossed. We're back here. Pabalik na kami sa station. It's giving, gutom. Gegotom na may gegotom. And thank goodness for sidewalks like these. Here we have the Church of Singapore. Not sure what religion, kung Catholic or Christian or Buddhist. Here we are. So guys, we are back here at TEL Thomson.
East Coast Line. Thomson East.
And we are going to, kasi nasa exit 3 kami. Ngayon papunta kami ng exit 1 to, I'm better at vlogging than you. Now we are on the way to exit 1. Kasi kakain kami. Bruh. So, di namin in-expect na may food festival pala dito. Ayan, daming food. Check natin later doon. We are looking for new duck. Look at those ducks. Doy, ikaw nag-yut mag-vlog here. Naka-onda.
Okay guys, so nandito na tayo sa Hawker Center. Sa food court guys, sa sobrang daming food. Grabe. Nakakasabi ka na lang ng oh my gosh. Dying home. Pork platter na naman, no? No pa. Okay guys, so bumili tayo ng beef satay doon sa dulo. Tapos parang si Ayan bumili din ng martabak. Sikat to yan siya sa TikTok. Yun yung kinain namin kahapon din, but andito yung original talaga na flavor, which is choco and cheese.
Nag-order din kami guys ng martabak. Video okay? I can video?
Yeah.
Living since Davao. Hindi ko naabutan si ano dun sa Smile Martabak sa Funan. So now we have this Smile Martabak and we are excited. Try na talaga namin. Check natin yung hype sa TikTok dun sa girl. Sorry? Philippines. Yes. My 4th time here already. Yes. I really love this. Thank you.
Waiting for our food. Last food of the day.
Okay guys, so this is the food. Hehe. Roasted chicken, char siu na naman, pero different store. Syempre, try natin. Black pepper, pork, wonton na naman.
Meat.
Black pepper beef, oyster omelette, olive rice,
Meat.
roast pork rice.
Yes? Meat.
Satay. Black pepper beef. Wow. Hi guys. So check nyo guys, tingnan nyo. So yan, siomai, fishball, tapos yan yung mga tofu, chicken nuggets, black pepper chicken, chicken chicken nugget, wala. Hi guys, so bumili tayo ng charm. Yan. Basically, hindi siya card, but charm siya. But it also acts as a card. Pero charm siya.
Scannable siya. Ano daw sa ano?
What, this works as an easy link?
Yeah, this is an easy link.
Ano yun, Day? Wait lang. Hindi, baka may ibang design sa ibang vending.
I want the food one when I grow up. I want something else.
Alright guys, so nag-load na tayo sa ating charm.
He got a new button pin which actually works as an easy link.
Yeah, so let's check. Ito yung gagamitin natin now. Let's go! Hey guys, we are at coffee. Boom. So, ito yung original talaga guys, yung Yakun Kaya Toast. Look, ito yung coffee nila. We order coffee. So, ito yung soft boiled egg. Dito dinidip yung Kaya Toast. Pero wala pa yun. Inaantay natin. So, ayan na guys, ito na yung toast. Ito na yung toast guys. So, yan yung toast. I-dip mo dito. Then, wow. Loko.
Oh my lord.
Sorry. So, tingnan nyo guys. Grabe yung rush hour dito guys. Look. Oh.
Can I say hi?
Yeah.
Hi.
Yung same pa rin. Sabi, look at guys. Ito lang. Kasi yung oras, kaya rush hour siya. Pero anyways, ganun na yun. Sabi guys, daming tao. But yun nga, this is how you... This is where you see rather na utilized talaga, highly utilized yung public transportation. Pero yun nga, kahit naman rush hour, given naman talaga. I think tatayo talaga kami sa MRT nito. But yeah. Alright. Parang mga hurmigas. Mga tao. Parang mga langgam guys, mga tao. Hello, good evening. 7:45, we're gonna ride the bus. Nagdaan muna kami sa condo kasi walang MRT going to IKEA. So we're gonna ride the bus. A bus. Ride the bus. To IKEA. Doon kami mag-dinner. Okay, so kakababa lang natin sa bus guys. There, IKEA.
IKEA.
May na lang kay kabalo na ko daan mag-IKEA guys. Tuduan kita lang paano mag-IKEA. Hello guys, we are at IKEA. So yung menu nila dito pang Singaporean talaga na menu, Singapore, Malay, and Indian cuisine. Kagaya sa Manila, yung ibang food nila doon may sisig sila, di ba? If you're familiar. So ayan guys, lamb shank. Kana obviously meatballs. Pero to be fair guys, nakuha na ba namin yung meatballs. We know how to cook that already. Dai knows how to cook that. Okay, so update lang tayo mamaya. Bye-bye. So you pay doon sa counter and then they'll give you a token. Kasi ikaw na self-serve na pa rin. This is still IKEA by the way. Ito na yung nabili natin. Ayan. Ayan na.
Ay, wala ko ano.
Teknologia! Taste Swedish. That's why the sidewalks are so clean, kaya hindi binabaha kasi linis parati yung drainage part. Hello guys, we are in the future. Future! So we're on our way home from IKEA. That's how the locals here pronounce IKEA. IKEA. Pero IKEA good. Yeah. Going to the next bus stop. Parate tayong namamali guys. I always look at the wrong direction kasi baliktad dito guys. Right hand drive yung Singapore, hindi left hand. Kaya if it's your first time here, malilito ka talaga kasi nasasanay ka to look at the opposite side to where the cars are actually going. Okay, update lang tayo guys. Sasakay na kami ng bus. Bye bye, see you later.
So that concludes part 2 of our vlog. So I hope you enjoyed that video guys. Meron pa tayong part 3. Abangan nyo guys. We still have a lot to go. So madami-dami pa talagang lugar pupuntahan natin guys. Kasi there's still 2 days left for our trip dito sa Singapore. So I hope you really enjoyed that video. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification icon so you won't miss any uploads. And put down in the comments guys kung may mga suggestions kayo or may mga gusto kayong i-vlog natin, or kung gusto nyo na ba talagang mag-camping vlog balik, please put it down in the comments below so I can see if you're excited. So thanks a lot guys. See you in the next one.